Down it is. Radio.
Sorry, excuse us.
That's okay. Getting to get her in the elevator. Going number. On the elevator.
Excuse us. Sorry, Davis.
How's everybody been doing?
We're good.
I see y'all ready. I got some beers.
I gotta say $2.
Where to? Where's the party?
Right?
Number 9.
Is this you guys?
No, we're 8.
Okay.
Alrighty. Yeah, I'm ready to drop this luggage.
Yeah.
That's what we're ready to do.
For sure. Did you guys carry on all your stuff?
Yeah, it's no, what's some?
Just a couple, yeah. That's good.
Too much to carry.
All right, I'll get out.
All right.
You guys.
We tried to carry the least amount, but that didn't work for you.
Go ahead, Bubba.
It ends up being more.
Yeah.
No.
Right there.
Thank
You
you.
guys, all right.
Yeah.
Thank you again.
Have fun, guys.
I'll see y'all later.
All right, yeah, for sure.
You remember? Heading to the room. So excited. This is the best part of getting on the ship in the beginning. Yep. We're just tucked in this little corner. Mercy. Here we go. Let's see. We're heading around. Got our key cards. Get ready to go. All right. Love this room. It's our favorite number. 8481. 8th floor.
Nice.
I got it.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Let's turn the lights on. So if y'all heard my baby screaming, this is what she came into.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at the decor.
Anniversary.
Emergency instruction notice located behind your stateroom door.
There you go. Surprise, surprise.
The emergency instruction notice.
All escape routes are equipped with low location lighting to an exit in case
Photographs show green LED.
My babies. You know, 10-year anniversary, get ready to start. Got the cruise cracking.
Thanks, love.
Oh, you welcome, my sweet pea. So excited. Look at everybody. You know what I'm saying? Anniversary, decorations, this is what they look like. Little gifts they got for us. You know.
Ah, now we gotta get a picture. You got a picture frame.
Yep.
What's this? And is this a towel? What is this?
Alrighty.
No, they have your name.
Turn it up a bit. Alrighty.
You need to turn the temperature down.
Decorations. Anniversary decorations.
Look at that.
We see our cabin steward, you know, did some little sweet stuff for us. Appreciate it. Alrighty, so this is our room, everybody. Hi, how you doing?
Thank you. I'm liking that. This is a good start. This is a good start off.
Let me see.
You are the strawberries.
Chocolate covered strawberries for the lady.
Ah, look at
Tuxedo
this,
style. Yeah.
Look, y'all. Yummy. Now that tastes real bakery mode. That's good. See how one.
Put it down. So yes. Y'all get down on her. Huge
Those are pretty big. Look at that strawberry.
strawberries.
Chocolate. Thanks, love.
You're welcome. You know how we do it. We always do it on vacay mode. And since this is our anniversary, we doing it on anniversary mode. So, you know, I had to get some chocolate covered strawberries to get the day started. So, you know, that's how we do it.
How are you?
Okay, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, thank you. Okay, circuit
Yes, okay.
and this one. You want to speak to me? Because one of my colleagues told me that you're looking for a stateroom.
Oh, you're the...
Yeah, I'm Geraldine. I will be your housekeeper, okay?
Oh, you're the housekeeper.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Okay, I was calling about the fan originally, but they told me to call housekeeping.
Okay.
And then also...
Java Blue Cafe on Deck 5. Please note that if you utilize the Carnival Hub app, you can check in to your time dining. That's not a reservation, but a request to say that you're ready for dinner, and you can do this anywhere around the ship, starting at 5:30. This way you do not have to wait in line at Java Blue Cafe. It's perfect. We make it super simple for you.
Why do we have
as soon as
Java
you're
Blue?
ready with you and your party, you check in on the Carnival Hub app,
We have anytime
and it will
dining.
give you an approximate time of when you can go to dinner.
So
Maybe
instead of
busy,
waiting,
and it's
they
20
say
minutes,
check in
maybe
now,
it's
and they
not,
tell you
and
when to
it's a
come
few
down.
minutes. So it'll give you a heads up, so you don't have to wait in line. You'll be able to go to enjoy dinner.
Cool.
Also, be sure to have your Carnival Hub app downloaded. Come to all the fun events. We have the Welcome Aboard show tonight at 9:45. Right now, it's a huge sail away we're going to have upstairs on the Lido deck. Do not miss out on it. That's gonna
Ooh,
be
they're doing the
everyone,
Lido
all
deck
ages,
party. So
all
I'll see you guys
upstairs
on the Lido
deck
deck.
10, 11.
Yeah, I'm about to get one of these. On top of the world. Wanna hang out with you, man?
Yep. Let's go see what's happening on the other side. Here's Lexi. Hey y'all, it's Sean. Let's go ahead and head to the party.